Back-to-school shopping used to mean pencils and folders. Now it means figuring out which laptop, earbuds, and charging setup actually survive a full semester instead of dying in week 3. 5 picks here, from an actual flagship laptop down to a $30 charger, so there's something at every real budget, new to Unbox Daily. We test the tech people actually use day to day, not just what looks good in a thumbnail. Subscribe if that's useful. Worth saying up front, this is the most expensive item on this list by a wide margin, and it's here because it's the real MacBook entry point, not a budget accessory. Apple Silicon efficiency means you're not carrying a charger to every class the way you might with a comparable Windows laptop. And the build quality holds up to being tossed in a backpack daily in ways cheaper laptops don't. Here's the actual trade-off. You're paying for the Apple ecosystem and long-term software support, both real value if you're already using an iPhone, but a real premium if you just need something to write papers on. If budget is the primary constraint, this isn't the pick on this list. Everything else here is. The premium choice if the ecosystem and build quality matter to you specifically. Not the budget pick. Link below. Noise cancellation used to be a feature reserved for $200 plus earbuds, and JLab bringing it down to this price point is the actual story here. It's not flagship level A and C. Background noise reduction is noticeable, but won't fully silence a loud dorm hallway the way premium earbuds do. But for blocking out a roommate's music or general classroom chatter during focused study time, it does real work. Battery life covers a full day of classes without a midday charge, which matters more than sound quality for most students' actual use case. Build quality feels a bit more plastic than premium competitors, which tracks with the price, but nothing here suggests it won't survive a semester of backpack abuse. Real A and C at a price that doesn't wreck your budget. Link below. A self-cleaning water bottle sounds like a solution to a problem nobody has until you actually live with a normal bottle for a semester and realize how actually gross the inside gets without regular deep cleaning. The UV self-cleaning cycle runs automatically and actually reduces bacteria buildup between washes, which matters if you're the type of student who refills a bottle for a week straight without scrubbing it. Insulation performance is solid, keeping cold water cold through a full day of classes. It's the most expensive water bottle you'll consider buying, and if you're diligent about washing bottles regularly anyway, you're paying for convenience you might not need. Worth it specifically if you know you won't wash a normal bottle often enough. Link below. This solves a specific problem. Lectures move fast, and typing notes while also actually listening is hard. The AI transcription here is legitimately useful, turning recorded lectures into searchable text without you doing the work manually afterward. Accuracy is solid for clear speech in a quiet lecture hall, but drops noticeably in noisier environments or with professors who talk fast and mumble, which is worth knowing before you rely on it as your only note-taking method. Battery life covers a full day of back-to-back classes. For anyone who's ever missed something important while scrambling to write it down, this is a real upgrade over just typing notes. A real tool for anyone who takes lecture-heavy classes. Check accuracy expectations for noisy rooms first. Link below. The most boring item on this list, and arguably the most useful one, a dead phone during finals week or a class you can't miss, is a real problem. And 45 watts means it charges fast enough that even a short break between classes gets you meaningfully closer to full. It's compact enough to live in a backpack permanently without you noticing the extra weight, which matters more than raw capacity for most students since you're topping off, not fully recharging from zero regularly. Build quality feels sturdy for the price, and INIU's reputation for reliable, no-frills chargers holds up here. Nothing flashy, just a real solution to a real everyday problem. The cheapest, most practical thing on this list. Link below. If this saved you from buying the wrong back-to-school gear, the subscribe button helps a lot. All 5 links and current pricing are below. If you're heading back to campus and have a pick that survived a full semester for you, drop it in the comments. That's more useful than another spec list.